This is text 60. Ayam vai sarva yagyakya sarva vratamiti smritam tapasaram idam badre danam keshwara tarpanam. Kashyap Muni is telling his good wife Mahabhagi, his greatly fortunate wife Aditi, about the worship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Keshav. And he said that this Payabrat that you're performing is Sarva Yagya. It is equal to all kinds of religious rituals and sacrifices, all yagyas. In other words, it's the whole in one. This one brat, or yagya, or sacrifice, or puja, or worship, 12 days, austerities, this one sacrifice, by doing this, one can perform all other sacrifices automatically. He went on to say that his tapasaram is the essence of all austerities. He calls his wife, previous verse he calls his wife Mahabhagi, greatly fortunate. Here he calls her Badri, oh good lady. And by this, doing this brat, one will please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It says here, Danam Keshwara Tarpanam. This is the best act of charity, to please the Supreme, the Ishvara, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, 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 Godhead.